If you have been wanting to create 3D NFT artworks, just like big projects such as for example HappyBeast or Clone X, then this is the perfect video for you. This video contains a free website where you can turn your art into extraordinary NFTs. If this video helps you out, make sure leave a like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. This is safe to say the best and easiest way to create high-quality NFTs that are 3D NFTs. Since 3D, high-quality NFTs are really hyped at the moment, this might be the perfect opportunity to create some nice NFTs. It is the first thing that strikes your eye when you visit their website that states, everyone can be an NFT artist. For makes it feasible for persons with no artistic ability to develop non-fungible token NFTs using AI technologies. Just click on Create NFT now, and all you have to do is upload your photograph and select an art style, and the software will take care of the rest. In this case, we're using free stock image. For this we will use Unsplash. Unsplash is a free stock photography site. The website has more than 100,000 contributing photographers. The photos on Unsplash are free to use and can be used for most commercial, personal projects, and for editorial use. You do not need to ask permission from or provide credit to the photographer. You can search photos here based on your need. As you can see, so many free photos available. Just pick attractive one and click download. Now come back to website and drag or upload your file here. It takes some time to convert your image to NFTs. And that's all. Congratulations. You have created your NFT using artificial intelligence technologies. You can increase or decrease intensity as per requirement. On left side you can choose different effects. Let's pick this one. There is no need for you to learn how to code. All you need to do is create your layers and perform some altering according to your preferences, which can be as minimal or as extensive as you choose, and you'll be set. You don't even have to register an account to be able to download the artwork you've generated, which provides it a distinct advantage over some of the other digital art generators software. Don't worry, I will share a link in description below. Comment your thoughts on this, and subscribe and like this video. By doing this, you are not only encourage me, but also motivate me to share this type of tricks and tips for everyone. Comment below if you want to know how to remove watermark from this image. Download your NFT and enjoy.